person by the name of Yoda once said, do or do not, there is no try. So why not do what you want to do? Why don't you motivate yourself to get up and achieve the things that you want to? Let's go. Sup peeps, my name is Kirby, but you guys can call me Kirbz, and this is Kickback with Kirbz. To stay up to date on my videos, make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be aware of any video. I kind of forgot how to say it, but you understand what I'm trying to. Hit the bell, hit the bell. Thank you. Today we're doing a more motivational approach and having me help you reflect how you are doing right now, because it's a little crazy and at this moment you might be steering off track from achieving your goals, but I'm trying to get you back on it. So let's start. Now, most motivational videos are like, you gotta succeed as much as you want to breathe. There's only 24 hours in a day, and Beyonce has the same 24 hours as your 24 hours. So like, why aren't you Beyonce? That's not really my approach right now. What I'm gonna be doing is basically talking. I'm gonna be talking to you guys, because even though I'm technically talking to a camera, I'm still talking to y'all. You guys matter, and it's been a little bit rough. So I'm gonna be your little virtual talking buddy for a few minutes, all right? Cool. So I know even I have trouble sometimes motivating myself to do things. You know, I'm a college student, there's classes, no one likes classes, or at least I am okay with my classes. What I'm trying to say is sometimes you need a little nudge to get you up and going in the day. So I'm gonna tell you about 3 little hacks that you could do to help you motivate yourself to get up, do things you gotta do, and look forward to each day. First thing we're going to start off today is checkpoint rewards. You might be wondering what that means. If you've ever seen the movies Monster Inc. and there's a moment where Sully's putting the Fruit Loops on the floor for Boo, that's a great example of checkpoint rewards. When you get to a certain point, you get a reward. You go to another point, you get a reward. Another reward just keeps on going until you go to where you're supposed to go. And for her, it was to get into the bed. For you, it might be finishing an assignment. For you, it might be completing a drawing or writing a song that you've wanted to do or writing a book or something that really interests you, but you haven't had the time or the motivation to do so. But don't worry, because we got checkpoint rewards. So what you would do is you would say something that you want to achieve. And if you need to know how to set up a SMART goal, you can go look at my other video that talks about that. But this is more about getting you to be excited to do something to complete it. So anyway, you would first think of what you're trying to achieve. So one of my things I have to do is I have to read 4 chapters. Yay. But you know, I can't just sit and read 4 chapters because I know I don't have the attention span for it. So what I'll do is that when I finish 1 chapter, I'll have a nice break, you know. I'll either set it up on a day, so like the first day I'll read the first chapter, and when I finish that chapter, I will buy myself a smoothie, a milkshake, something that is, you know, of the appeal for me, which is really sweet right now. Once you complete that, you get yourself a reward. So if you have 3 assignments to do, after each assignment, you can reward yourself with a 30-minute video. Now I know it's kind of hard once you watch one video, you want to binge the rest of them, but you gotta control yourself. I believe in you. You gotta, one step at a time. But you know, just input a little bit of break time, because it's actually been more effective when you work around 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break, then another 25 minutes and a 5-minute break. Something to that, so that you can get to where you need to go. Next way I'm gonna say for you guys to motivate yourself is coming up with a mantra. If you've ever seen the movie The Help, I forgot her name in the movie, but Viola Davis, she says to the little girl in the movie, you is kind, you is smart, and you is important. Not saying you should take hers, even though it is very great, but a mantra is anything that you can say to yourself to make yourself affirm to yourself that you are working, that you can do it, and you can achieve your heart's desire. So come up with a mantra, and then when you get one, if you want to share it in the comment section below, be sure to drop it, because someone might not be able to make one and they might need your assistance. So please do so. And the last way to motivate yourself is gonna be a vision board. I mentioned this in one of my other videos, and we're going back to it now because a vision board is very important. There's this thing called auto-suggestion, which is where you say something, or you see something, or you envision something, and you believe that you can do it and achieve it, because your brain is psyching yourself out to make you think you can do anything, which is actually possible. Now those words kind of didn't make much sense because they kind of went into each other. I'm gonna end this video with a lovely quote. It's from William Jennings Bryan. It's one of my favorite quotes. I picked it up from my mom, but we're gonna use it anyway. And it states, "Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. It is not something to be given, but to be achieved." I might have messed up the last part, but you understand what I'm trying to say. You might be in a bad situation right now. Everything might seem a little out of control and not in your reach. But as long as you keep pushing, as long as you reach out to people who can help you, as long as you know within yourself that you can do it, as long as you can see the goals that you have in front of you, anything is possible, and I hope you achieve everything that you set out in front of you. All right, my dudes, that's all we have for today. Hopefully you were motivated to get up, brush your teeth, put on clothes, go out into the world and conquer. It's because there is so much to do in life, and sitting and watching Netflix all the time isn't always the move. It's a good move, but it's not always the move. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video and would like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you think I did a good job, give me a thumbs up so I know how I'm doing. But until next time, adios for now.